Grade 5, Spelling, Week 33, Greek and Latin Roots. Pattern words. Number 1, accountable. Jesus wants us to hold one another accountable in our actions. Accountable. Number 2, recount. Each astronaut will be asked to recount mission details. Recount. Number 3, intended. The intended destination of the module was the Sea of Tranquility. Intended. Number 4, tendency. The moon has the tendency to orbit Earth in an elliptical path. Tendency. Number 5, expressive. Buzz Aldrin was expressive while describing the moon's soil. Expressive. Number 6, impression. The astronaut's boot left an impression on the lunar soil. Impression. Number 7, aeronautics. Jameson wanted to study aeronautics at the Air Force Academy. Aeronautics. Number 8, astronaut. Brooke decided to study to become an astronaut. Astronaut. Number 9, astronomy. Darren's favorite area of study was astronomy. Astronomy. Number 10, autographs. Robin was able to get 10 autographs on her Space Center brochure. Autographs. Number 11, tripod. Neil Armstrong mounted a camera on a tripod to take pictures. Tripod. Number 12, selenology. Did you know that the study of the moon is called selenology? Selenology. Number 13, albedo. The moon's albedo reflected a magnificent glow. Albedo. Number 14, craters. The surface of the moon contains numerous craters. Craters. Number 15, density. The density of an object is determined by dividing its mass by its volume. Density. Number 16, mare. The word mare comes from the Latin word for sea. Mare. Number 17, phases. The moon goes through many phases as it orbits around Earth. Phases. Number 18, reflectivity. The reflectivity of the moon comes from the sun. Reflectivity. Number 19, satellite. The moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. Satellite. Vocabulary words. Number 20, inscription. A plaque with an inscription was left on the moon during Apollo 11. Inscription. Number 21, manuscript. The mission team reviewed the launch manuscript very carefully. Manuscript. Number 22, misnomer. Astronauts used a misnomer when identifying the moon's dark areas. Misnomer. Number 23, nomination. The astronaut accepted the managerial nomination reluctantly. Nomination. Challenge words. Number 24, sufficient. A brisk walk is sufficient to raise your heart rate. Sufficient. Number 25, transfer. We switched to another car and the transfer only took a few minutes. Transfer.